Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. In this video, I'm going to experiment with creating a dot mandala using one color. Let's get into the experimenting now. The background is dark violet. So foreground, I'm going to create a dot mandala with light violet. Let's get started. I'll start with dotting in the center. I'll keep some dots now. I'll keep tiny dots. Since this is an experiment, I thought I'll do it in a smaller board than doing it in a bigger board. I'll keep some more dots in light violet now. I'll keep two side swipes now. Now I'll keep some plumpy dots in light violet. I'll make these dots into swipes now. I'll work the dots now. I'll keep some bigger dots in light violet now. I'll keep some smaller dots now. This is what I meant by smaller dots. When I started, I was not so confident about creating a dot mandala using just one color. But now I personally feel it's coming out really well. What do you think about this one color dot mandala? Do let me know in the comments. I'll work the dots now. I'll keep some more dots in light violet now. I'll work the dots second layer now. Now I'll work the dots third layer. I'll keep some plumpy dots in light violet now. I'll make these dots into swipes now. I'll give 2 side swipes now. This is the result of my first experiment with one color dot mandala. What do you think about this? Please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video.